So my name is Luis Loza. I am the supervisor here at the row crop unit. I grew up in Winters, California, and we are standing here in Davis.
My name is Joseph Fiore. I am a principal agricultural technician for plant science. I am from Winters as well. We are here at location 6, row crop tomatoes.
I've always had a passion here for farming. What I like about here is mainly the crop diversity that I get to work with. Well, I think it's nice to have, some of this research product actually not go to waste and actually get consumed.
And I think it's pretty cool that students are able to get their food from somewhere right in their backyard.
Hi, my name is Kuher. I'm the Senior Executive Chef for Student Housing and Dining Services. We are partnering with our campus partners just to be able to tell our story, be able to share the knowledge of our program, going full circle, right? Growing the tomatoes from seed, washing it, preserving it in our facilities, and then bringing it back and taking that product and serving, creating dishes and recipes and menu items that are served on our campus. I think that's a full circle that gets utilized from planting the tomatoes to serving it on a dish.
So our partnership with the Dining Commons is we first research food products, and a lot of those food products that are safe to consume are then provided to the Dining Commons. We provide tomatoes, peaches, and other stone fruits when we have them.
There's so many tomato producers that harvest these tomatoes. It just happens that we're harvesting it on our campus. It's coming to us, and we're not having to buy preservative canned tomatoes throughout the year.
I think on a day-to-day basis, we try to have a sustainable approach to what we do here, in the sense that there's a reasoning behind everything we do. Everything we do here is basically intensively managed. We make calls on a day-to-day basis. So basically, our irrigation methods help with water conservation by feeding plants and watering based on ET. So you're not overwatering, you're not over-applying, so we try to limit the inputs as much as possible. I believe it's important for students to know where their food is coming from and how it's being produced. That way you're able to make an educated choice basically on whether you want to consume that product or not, and you're aware of where it's coming from, and that way you're able to support whether something's being grown sustainably versus not.
Right now there's a big disconnect as well with consumers and producers.
So the process that the research goes through to get the food into students' plates basically is we grow the tomatoes in a way that does not interfere with his research. The researcher is able to then gather his data, and once he's done that, then we're able to come in and take whatever's left over, and if it's consumable, then we're able to sell it to dining services.
Essentially the tomatoes are hand-picked as well, and they are then delivered to the Dining Commons. I think they should also know there's a lot of effort that goes into it. The hand harvesting part, you got people weeding out here, and it's a good thing to be translated.
Well, I think the benefits to knowing where and how your food is produced comes down to the fact that you're able to make then an educated choice whether you want to actually consume that product or not based on its practices and based on how it was grown. It comes down to just more information to the consumer.